So a lot of people have been saying that my videos are too fast, so we're going to slow it down a little bit. Today we're going to be making some peanut butter chocolate bites with some Keto Chow. Super simple to make. You only need one bowl. We're going to do some peanut butter and some softened coconut oil. Make sure you mix it up really good. We're going to mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Make sure there's no lumps or bumps. Nice and smooth peanut butter, coconut oil mixture. Then we're going to add in our Keto Chow. I use chocolate peanut butter. Then our brown sugar replacement, which basically tastes like regular brown sugar to me. Mix that up really good. Mix, mix, mix. Make sure we're scraping the bowl. Make sure we're making it nice and fancy there. Yep, a little bit extra, I know. Showing the camera. This was kind of a rainy day when I did this, so it's a little dark. Some coconut flakes, some flaxseed, and some more flaxseed. And we're gonna mix that up really good, really, really good. Show the camera so we see the light. And mix, mix, mix. Scrape the side of the bowl. Doing a good job. And then, we're gonna get some chocolate chips. That's the best part. It's gonna make it highly addictive. These are sugar-free chocolate chips, so don't worry about breaking ketosis. Let's show the camera up close. Looks nice. Look at that. All right. Then we're gonna cookie scoop hack our way and put it in silicone molds, which this thing is the best. I use it for fat bombs. Put it in the fridge, freezer, then you have fat bombs for weeks, and they are addictive. So, don't eat them all in one sitting. That'd be great. Awesome.